Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some colors. White, red, blue, green, yellow color, and last one is black. Today we are going to draw a small letter alphabet. Pink, green, blue, S M A L L, small, L E T T E R, letter, small letter alphabet. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rat. S for small. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for week. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Brown, pink, orange, blue, yellow. These are the colors. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.